Go, go! She's doing it with no training wheels. She's really giving it a good try. Turn around, go back that way. Right, Lana. Get that top step, yes, so you can grab it. Get the top step, no, ready for you. See, don't do it like that. Get that top pedal where you can push. Now go, go. Go, 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 go. Look at her going without it. She's got it. Look at her go. Look at this, no training wheels, guys. Turn around. Awesome. Look at that. Is this your first time without training wheels?
Yes.
And that's the best in the world. Come on, girlie. Make sure your pedal's up and ready for you to give it a push. Right like that. Yep. Now, get it. It's all right. Don't get aggravated. Go, go, go. Yeah. She's got it going on. Wow. You've got it, Lana. Yay!